According to Ayurveda, the root cause of all disorders lie in poor digestion. Jatharagni or digestive fire helps in assimilation of food. That is why it is important that this fire in our body remains strong. Regular practice of yoga strengthens the functioning of this Agni, thereby improving digestion, appetite and bowel movement. Before we begin, a gentle reminder to like and share this video and do subscribe to Sri Sri School of Yoga YouTube channel. Now let us start. Let's sit comfortably and easily. Sit with eyes closed. Let's take a normal breath in and breathe out. Let's breathe in for Om. Let's begin by the practice of Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, as we exhale forcefully, we pull the navel in. As we inhale normally, the tummy expands. In Kapalbhati, exhalation is forceful, inhalation is normal. Now let's get ready, palms on our knees facing the ceiling. Let's take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Kapalbhati, breathe in, out. In, 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 out, in, out, in, 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 continue. And relax. Observe the sensation in your body. Let's do one more round. Let's sit comfortably, easily. Normal breath in and breathe out. Spine erect, Kapalbhati. Breathe in, out. In, 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 continue. And relax. Observe the sensation in your body. Slowly open your eyes. Now we will practice Agnisara. In Agnisara, we sit in a cross-legged pose, palms facing downward, keeping the elbows straight. As we breathe in, we bend back, and as we breathe out, we bend forward and down, breathing out from the mouth. Now we come up, tuck the chin to the chest, and holding the breath out, slowly lift the body. And in this condition, holding the breath, we gently pump our tummy in and out. The abdominal muscles are being pulled in and out. Continue pumping it. And gently relax. When you feel the need to breathe in, you completely relax and breathe in. One more time, breathe in, go up. Breathe out. Lock the chin to the chest. Come up, start flapping your tummy in and out. And when you feel the need to breathe in, you can relax. One last time, breathe in, look up, breathe out. Lock the chin to the chest, straighten the spine, straighten your elbows and start flapping your tummies. In and out. And relax. Breathe in. Keeping the eyes closed, observe the sensation in your body. Let's slowly open our eyes. And gently let's stand up. And let's begin the neck movement. Breathing in, look up. Breathing out, chin to the chest. Breathe in up. Breathe out, chin to the chest. And then gentle rotation of your neck from the right side. Gentle circle. Breathing in, take it up. Breathing out, bring it down. Continue. And reverse. Let's do it from the left side. Breathing in up, breathing out, bring it down. And slowly back to the center. And let's bring both the arms in front, palms touching the shoulders, elbows joined together, and gentle circle from the shoulder joint. Gentle movement, circular, with a smile on our face. Reverse the direction. Let's do it in the opposite side. And as you breathe out, you may relax your hands. Let's gently take both our arms up. Make a staple position with your fingers. Point it up towards the sky, towards the ceiling. And we'll lift our heels up and pull the tummy in and out as we lift up and down. Let's start. Breathe in, up and down. Up, down, 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 up, down. Continue. Remember to pull the tummy in as you lift up, as you stretch up. Breathing out, slowly relax. Let's increase the distance between both our legs to around 3 feet. Make a fist with both the hands, thumb tucked inside. Lengthen your body up. Exhale gently, bend towards your left side. And then slowly switch over and then come up from the right. Breathe out, down from the left. Breathe in, up from the right. Breathe out, down from the left. Breathe in, up from the right. Breathe out, down from the left. And let's reverse. Breathe in, up from the left. Breathe out, down from the right. And continue a few more times. And breathing in, slowly come back to the center and gently relax your hands. Let's get the legs closer to each other. Again, hip width distance between the legs. Breathing in, take your left arm up. Breathing out, bend to the right. Breathe in up. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, right arm up. Bend to the left. And then slowly come back up. Relax the hand. Let's do this a few more times. On the other side, left up, bend to the right. Come up. Relax. Now we will do Kati Chakrasana. Breathing in, take both the hands in front of your chest. And as you breathe out, gently twist towards the right side. Look behind from the right shoulder. With every exhalation, twist a tiny bit more towards the right. Breathing in, back to the center. Breathing out, twist towards the other side. Look behind from your left shoulder. Keep both the feet firmly grounded. Breathing in, slowly back to the center. Breathing out, relax your hands. And now slowly let's cross our legs and sit down comfortably in a cross-legged position. Now let's stretch the right leg to the right side, sole of the left foot touching the right inner thigh. Heel close to the perineum. Breathe in. As you breathe out, gently slide your right hand towards your right foot and bend towards the right side. And gently raise your left arm up. Let the left bicep touch the left ear and bend towards the right side. Maintain that smile in your face. Feel the stretch on the left side of your body. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, gently relax your hand. Let's switch, do it with the other leg. This time, left leg stretched to the left side. Right foot touching the left inner thigh. Breathe in. As you breathe out, gently slide your left hand towards your left foot. Let the right bicep touch the right ear and then bend towards the left side. Feel the deep stretch on the right side of your body. Breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, gently relax your hands. Straighten both the legs in front and we'll do the Nauka Sanchalana. Gently start making a circle by stretching your arms up and bending forward. And continue. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up, out, down. In, up, out, down. Up and down. And then gently relax. Now slowly and gently lie down on your tummy. Chin just on the floor. Toes relax on the ground. Place both the palms below the shoulders. We will do the cobra pose now. Breathing in, lift up your chin, chest off the mat. Roll the shoulders back. Hold it there, and as you breathe in tiny bit more, lift a little more. Navel 1 to 2 inches off the floor. Look up towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Breathing out, slowly and gently come down and relax your hands. And then gently turn over and lie down on your back. Bend your right leg. Get the right thigh close to your chest. Wrap your hands around the shin bone. Breathe in. As you breathe out, take the nose close to the right knee. Keep breathing, be there. And breathing out, slowly come down, relax your head, straighten your right leg. We'll repeat the same with the left leg. Bend the left leg, get the left thigh close to your chest, wrap the hands around the left shin bone. Breathe in. Breathing out, take the nose close to the left knee. Keep breathing, hold it there. Breathing out, slowly relax your head and then gently straighten your left leg on the floor. Bend both your legs. Let the knees point up towards the ceiling. Stretch both your arms at the level of the shoulders towards the sides. Hip width distance between both the legs. Now gently let the knees fall onto the left side. Twist your upper body to the right. And then reverse. Let the knees fall onto the right. Twist your upper body to the left. And continue a few dynamic rounds. Right, center, and left. Back to the center and relax your hands, straighten your legs. We'll do a high-pitch humming bee sound lying down in this position. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. For Brahmari, breathe in. And relax. Let's continue lying down for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we may sit up and meditate with Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar. Link for the meditation is given in the description below. Keep practicing yoga regularly. We'll see you again. Namaste.